will show you where we are heading. Look at the beautiful morning. I'm about an hour delay from my original schedule, but let's see how far we go today. The car is fully loaded, all my stuff, and our destination is 14 hours away. Yep, 14 hours. It's gonna be icy road, but let's see how well we manage it. You see the nice shine on the road. It looks nice, but when you're driving, it's absolutely dangerous. It's all black ice. It's 7 a.m. here in Delaware, and today I'm starting a 900-mile road trip to pick up my next motorcycle. I'm driving all the way to Barrington, Illinois, through Ohio, Indiana, in the middle of winter. Last 2 days has been tremendous snow over there. There was a lot of cold temperatures expected in next 2 days. I know people think this will be crazy, but riders know sometimes you go, the distance doesn't matter. You drive like miles for the right machine. So here we go. Right, first state cross, entering Maryland. So it took a while. It took a lot of preparations actually for this ride. I was originally supposed to go on Friday and return on Saturday, but eventually the lake effect is going on, and in the Illinois and Indiana and Ohio, they were getting hammered with a lot of snow and icy weather. So I threw the towel on that, and I was like, no, let me just wait for another opportunity. And next weekend it's going to have a little bit of snow over there as well. So Monday and Tuesday they are extremely cold temperatures, but no precipitations were anticipated. So I thought, let me give it a try on this route on Monday. So here we go. I'm heading today. Originally I was planning to get my trailer rented right from here and make an empty trailer trip. I was planning to add some like sandbags to create some traction, but eventually, like when yesterday the weather started like turning out a little bit for the middle down, I decided not to rent the trailer right now, and I might go Illinois, rent a trailer from there, load my motorcycle and come back. So far the temperature is 18, it's icy, and we are 41 miles on the road. Alright, so far we have completed our 100 miles. It took about 1 hour and 20 minutes. There was a lot of traffic in the Baltimore area, but we are out of the Baltimore on the 70 West, and so far it's really good. Like roads are no issue. It's cold, but No issue with the road conditions, really well. DOT have maintained their roads really well both in Delaware and Maryland. 200 miles in, very beautiful route. All right, so decided to make a quick stop, refill my gas, fill my caffeine level. This is the thing I was lacking since last 3 hours. A nice cup of coffee. So still there is a long way to go, so we'll not waste more time here and we'll get it go. All right. Amazing road, like just little bit of snow came, but lovely views. Like I can imagine if I'm riding my motorcycle in this route, that would be awesome. So we are at 248 miles. This is on and off. Like just 1 minute ago, there was like a sunlight, nothing, and now look at this snow squall. Very low visibility. Oh my god. This is crazy, and none of these were there on the weather prediction. So how unpredictable the winter conditions are, you never know. And now that's right after 2 minutes. So we are near 470, which goes toward Columbus, Ohio, and it welcome with a sign that snow squall possible ahead. All right, it's 2:27 Eastern time. I'm in Ohio, still like 6.5 hours away from the hotel I'm staying tonight. The weather is weird, like as you can see outside, it's on and off. Right now it's like windy, chilly, and flourish. Been tired, like almost so far I have driven about like 460 miles, used about 33 gallons of gas. Let's see, it's still 412 to go, so let's see when I reach. It shows right now I will reach at 7:55 p.m. Central Time. So yeah, there we go. All right, guys. It's 5:50 in the evening. I'm still like 3.5 hours away from the hotel. Just had a quick 15-minute nap and back on the road again. So there are very few drives like this that you start with the sunrise and you are still going on when the sun is setting. So very fortunate to see this entire day. Was really good weather, very windy. It was extremely windy. I'm glad I didn't bring the empty trailer on the way today. And we'll be looking forward for tomorrow that early in the morning I'll be picking up the motorcycle, loading that up on my U-Haul and driving all the way back. It's gonna be a little bit challenging because I might reach home like 1 or 2 a.m. in the night. So let's see how it goes. Wish me luck. So we are very close to Chicago now. It's about 100 miles left in the trip so far. So far I have done 793 miles since I started, and now it's 100 miles left, 1 hour and 40 minutes. So just had a quick stop for the refuel. The temperature is crazy right now. I believe so temperature is 8 degrees Fahrenheit outside and it's windy. So when I had like a stop for the refuel, it was literally melting the bones, that kind of chill. So let's see how it goes tomorrow in the morning, because in the morning it will be very chilly as well in Chicago area. Right, so finally we reach. It was a long tiring day. We'll have some food and good 8 hours sleep. See you tomorrow. Okay, good morning all. It's nice chilly morning. I'm ready with all my layers on today. So it's very cold. Now getting ready to go to the U-Haul station. I can say the trip was absolutely worth it. I'm really enjoying, though it's little bit not good condition to drive, but hey, this is what we are meant for. I will show you my setup, how I'm going to load my motorcycle and everything, and then subsequently we will see where we go toward the dealership and you guys will see which bike I'm buying. So got our U-Haul trailer all set up. This is a 6x12 enclosed trailer. So they have this motorcycle trailers as well, but they are open, and with this weather and salt all over the place, I'm going with the 6x12 enclosed trailer, which is also listed as an alternative for the enclosed motorcycle trailer as well. So let's see what we have done. So this trailer has all four corners has the hooks which my motorcycle will be tied to, and as an added security I have added this wheel choke. So what I have done is, this wheel choke has the hooks, they are strapped. So we are just 10 minutes away from the dealership. I'm so excited. Tiredness from the yesterday's leg of journey is completely gone. That's Cycle Works at Barrington. So that's what I got, the key. The bike is in their warehouse, so we'll be driving to their warehouse. And There we go. BMW. Let's see which one I got. You guys.
BMW?
First one, yes.
Okay, nice. Come on in. This is our warehouse. I'll show you. Here's the bike, first of all. You gonna help us load it real quick? That's alright, thanks. Plus some inventory for the rear end right here.
Oh, that's a candy store. Wow. You guys have a huge inventory.
Okay, give me straps.
All right, so the bike is all set. So they have used this frame to put together this front strap on the loop. And they have used the rear frame. So the mechanic over here, the guy over here, he do not prefer to put this across strap, like make it a X. He says this way the entire weight is pulled all the time toward the front. So this is all set. The bike is completely rock stable. I think the wheel choke really helped out. So that's it. Wish me luck, guys. That's our ride going back home. Woohoo! BMW F900 GS Adventure. This is what? The snow. Oh my goodness. Wow. The double trailer. Right, so it's 9:12 p.m. This is my fourth stop, I think, with the trailer. I just had like a stop, slept for like 10 minutes, and now it's still like showing another 345 miles. about 5 hours and 50 minutes. So I will be home 3 a.m. in the morning. But I am expecting 2 more stops in between just to get some nap, just stretches, and there we go. This is going to be my gas stop. And look at this. This is what the road has been throwing at us for the last 900 miles. Salt, grime, slush. Every inch of this car is coated. And this right here is exactly why I chose the enclosed trailer for this trip. When you're hauling a brand new motorcycle with fresh paint, fresh metal, fresh everything, this stuff is brutal. The road salt does not care even if it's BMW. It will eat into bolts, brake rotors, wiring, connectors, everything it touches. If this bike was on an open trailer right now, it would have been covered in the salt spray from head to toe. So here we are, almost at the end of the journey. It's 3:24 a.m. in the morning, just 10 minutes away from the home. This was a really good experience going to Illinois, picking up my motorcycle and hauling it back in a U-Haul trailer. So if you guys have liked this video so far, if you are still stick to the video up to the end, please do like, do comment. Any suggestions you guys have for my new motorcycle, and certainly feel free to subscribe the channel. It will be a new channel. I have just started, so we'll be putting some content on this new motorcycle as I unroll the rides. So check back the channel again. Till then, thank you so much.